Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Spotify profile, step by step. Let's get started. On your phone, begin by downloading and opening the Spotify app. You will find it in the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. Just search for Spotify and install the official app with the green circle icon. Once it is installed, tap the Spotify icon to open it and wait until the first screen fully loads so you can see the options to log in or sign up. Now on the login screen, look for the button that says Sign Up. It is usually near the bottom of the screen, below the boxes for email and password. Tap Sign Up once and give it a moment. The app will switch to a new screen where it asks how you want to create your new account. From there, choose how you want to create your account from the options you see. You can use an email address, a phone number, a Google account, or an Apple account, and each button will be clearly labeled. Tap the option you prefer only once. A common mistake is to tap several times and end up backing out of the screen you want. Next up, enter the requested information for the method you chose. If you picked email, type an email address you can actually open, since Spotify might send you a confirmation message. If you picked phone number, enter your number carefully, because if one digit is wrong, any text message code will never arrive. If you chose Google or Apple, you may see a small window asking you to pick an account or confirm with your usual password. Once your details are filled in, complete the sign-up process by following the prompts on screen. Spotify might ask you to create a password, enter your date of birth, or choose a display name that other people can see. Take a moment to read each screen because if you rush, you might mistype your password and then have trouble signing in later. When you reach the end, the app will move you into the main Spotify home screen automatically. After that, your new account is finished, and Spotify automatically creates your personal profile. You will be taken straight into the app with playlists and recommendations on the main page. There is no separate save button for the profile itself, so as soon as sign up is done, your profile already exists and is linked to the email or phone number you used. Now let us move over to a computer, using the Spotify app or the website. On your PC, open Spotify using the desktop app if you have installed it, or by visiting spotify.com in your web browser. Wait until the page or app loads, and you can see the options for logging in or creating a new account. On this screen, click the button that says Sign Up. You will usually see it near the top right corner on the website or near the login fields in the desktop app. Click Sign Up once, and the screen will change to show a form or several buttons for different ways to register. With that ready, enter your email address or choose another available sign-in method listed there. If you type an email, make sure it is one you can open because Spotify may ask you to confirm it later. Or choose another method, such as continuing with a linked account, by clicking the matching button only once. Many beginners do not realize that using a real, accessible email makes password resets much easier if you ever forget your details. After choosing your method, create your account and complete the registration by filling in each box the page asks for. This usually includes a password, a date of birth, and a username or display name that people will see on your profile. When you have entered everything, look for the final button on that page, such as Continue or Sign Up, and click it so Spotify can finish creating your account. At its top, this point, sign in to Spotify using the details you just created. Type your email or username and your password into the login boxes, then click the Login button. Once the app or website accepts your details, you will see the main Spotify screen with menus on the left and music suggestions in the center. From here, your Spotify profile is now ready on your computer as well. The profile is linked to the same account information you used during sign up, so you can log in on other devices with those details. You do not need to create a separate profile for each device. It all connects to this one account. Now that the account exists, you can customize your profile to feel more personal. Open Spotify on your phone or your computer and make sure you are logged in with your new account. Wait until the home screen loads fully so the menus and your profile area are visible. Next, go to your profile using the profile button or name inside Spotify. On a phone, you will usually find your profile by tapping the settings or your name icon, then choosing View Profile. On a computer, your name or profile picture often appears near the top right, and clicking it opens a small menu where you can choose Profile. A frequent mistake is to look for profile settings in the wrong app settings menu, so check for your name first. Once you are viewing your profile page, select Edit Profile. On mobile, this is usually a clear button near the top of your profile screen. On desktop, look for an Edit Profile button near your name and picture. Click or tap it once, and a simple editor will appear where you can change how your profile looks. Finally, you can add or change your display name and your profile picture on this screen. Type a display name that you are comfortable sharing, since this is what friends will see if they search for you. Then choose a profile picture if you like. And remember that changing these later is done the same way, by returning to Edit Profile. Your Spotify profile can show your display name, profile picture, any public playlists you make, your recently played artists, your followers, and the accounts you follow, so what you edit here is what others can see when they visit your profile. You have now created a Spotify account and set up a personalized profile ready for listening and sharing. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.